Hi, my name is Anagha, and I'm a software engineer at Suki, a Bay Area startup that's building an AI assistant for doctors. I primarily work in Go, and today I want to talk to you about feature flags, more specifically, feature flags as a culture. Do you want to release and deploy fast and not break things? Feature flags are being used by several development teams to do exactly that. Feature flags are more than just to ship features, but they can completely change the product development cycle for the better. So what are feature flags? What if you had the ability to add or remove a feature through a switch that you could toggle? Let's see how that would work. Let's switch on the feature to allow sign up. The feature to sign up is now visible. Let's switch off the feature to sign up. We don't have the sign up feature now. So feature flags are a way to switch on and switch off features in an application, and we can control feature access and visibility through this. Why feature flags? Feature flags allow you to pick and choose specific users and organizations that will get to see your features. For example, if a certain feature needs to be enabled only for users who are in New York, you can use the toggle switch to enable it for just those users. Using feature flags improves the release process and makes life easy for the engineer on production support and avoids hotfixes in production. Instead of using separate A/B testing frameworks, feature flags double as an easy way to segment users or test variations of a feature. So, how did feature flags change feature development for my team? Before feature flags, we were looking for a solution that would help release features and not take away a lot of development time. So what did we do? One, we started research on feature flags, including reading Facebook's white paper on this, some third-party demos, coffee conversations, and several blogs. Two, considered build versus buy. Three, built a proof of concept and presented a demo to the team. And also attended a conference called Trajectory to learn about how other companies were using feature flags. Then we decided that we wanted to start using the solution in the upcoming sprint, so we educated the team on the usage and implemented it across the team. Then what happened? Within minutes of my demo, engineers asked if they could start shipping their features paired with feature flags. Now we saw the shift, where we are able to start shipping incrementally, switch on or switch off features using the toggle switch, not by making code change, but through a dashboard that product and engineering had access to. This helped build trust and enabled engineers, as everyone was encouraged to ship more, and they had the confidence that they could toggle the feature. So how have feature flags impacted other company cultures? Suki is not the only company doing this, and not the only team that experienced feature flags impacting our culture. I attended the Trajectory conference, and I wanted to share two of the talks that stood out the most to me. Slack uses feature flags extensively, and so do some other companies. Flickr has 10 deployments per day, Etsy has 50 plus deployments per day, and AWS deploys to production every 11.6 seconds. The sheer volume of deploys that reputable companies do would have been difficult without feature flags. This also helps with democratizing development and continuous deployment, and it encourages experiment-driven development. If you want to learn more, I've included a link to the talk in the footer. CISA also uses feature flags across product, sales, user research, and legal teams. So feature flags are not a tool that just benefits engineering, it actually helps the entire organization. If you want to learn more, there's a link to the talk in the footer. Some final thoughts. Add feature flags to your design doc and talk about them early. Flags is equal to flexibility. And not just buttons, you can go beyond buttons and use multivariate flags to create completely different user experiences. Here are some of the resources that helped me get started. I'm sure feature flags will help you as much as they helped me. Thank you.